Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a rainbow velocity edit in CapCut. So you can create this edit by only using one click on CapCut. First, you need to add a video and also music in it, and then just click on the video and go to Style. Click on the Velocity tab, and here you'll find rainbow options. So by clicking on that, CapCut will detect the music and also create a velocity edit that match the beats of the music. So you can just wait until the generating process is finished. You can see in here the audio has been marked with the yellow dot, and just wait until the velocity edit finish. Okay, so it has been finished. So if you want, you can also adjust it furthermore by clicking on the rainbow velocity, and here you can adjust the beat frequency, the speed, and also the strength. I'm going to just leave it as it is. Then your video with rainbow velocity will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.